What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make the finger of a monster, the double finger of a monster. And we will do it out of paper. Just follow my steps. We do this like this. Like this. Just a second. Here we are. Do it like this. Take the piece of paper and this angle to this line right here, and we will take this angle to this angle. So let's do it just like this, and just look like this. See? And we take this angle to this line, like this. Yes, it. And I do the other angle to this line, like it looks like this. And we do it like this one, and we will have this one right here. I don't know if you can see it. And we will do like this angle to this angle, and we do really strong. Then it's really strong, and we open it, and we do like this, do really strong, and it will look like this. Now you will do like this, and you will do this angle to this angle, like this. See it? Now we do, as I told you, we do really strong this, and we take this angle and do it like this, and we open this hole, so right there, and we put in the angle like this, and now open this another hole and put the finger inside the hole, and here are the fingers on the monster. But I will show you the double finger of a monster. We take another piece of paper, okay, and we do it like this, and we got the double finger of the monster. Wait a second, I will show you all the fingers of the monster. And here it is, the monster hand with double fingers. I hope you guys like my video, and please subscribe. Bye.